How to clear history on X. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the magnifying glass-like option at the bottom. After you've clicked on it, you'll find a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar at the top. Here you will find all your history. To delete, what you can do is click on the cross mark at the top, then click on clear. After you've done that, your search history will be cleared. If you want to delete all cache, what you can do is open your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings and Support at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages at the bottom. After you've clicked on it, click on Data Uses. In Data Uses, you can simply scroll down and at the bottom you will find Clear Storage option. Here you can clear storage. It is not available in my region, so I won't be able to show, but you will find it here. You can press on clear and clear. This is how to clear history on X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.